In this video, I will show you step by step how to send an email on HubSpot in a simple and professional way, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, log in to your HubSpot account and access the main dashboard. Once you are inside, look for the marketing option in the top menu and click on it to view the available tools. Next, click on Email, which is where you can create and manage emails in HubSpot. After that, click the Create Email button to start creating a new email. HubSpot will show several ready-made templates that you can use to make the process easier. Choose a template that matches the type of message you want to send, such as a promotion, information, or newsletter. Then you can edit the email content by adding text, images, links, and buttons using the visual editor. Make sure to write a clear and engaging subject line, as this helps increase the email open rate. After editing the email, click Review or Next to check all the details before sending. Now, select the contacts or contact list that will receive the email. Verify that everything is correct and click Send to send the email immediately, or choose the option to schedule the email for a specific time. After that, HubSpot will automatically send the email to the selected contacts. And that's it. Now you know how to send an email on HubSpot easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.